Our first tense is indefinite tense. But before discussing the indefinites of all the three, I would like to give you the general structure of forming any sentence. As I told you that tense grammar give you the structure of any language, and tense is the basic thing. In our communication, in our conversation, three main things we deal with. First is subject. What is subject? Subject is the doer, the person who do the work. And second, the verb, that is the action of that person. And third thing is object, whatever the work we do or anyone do. So tense give you the general structure of forming any sentence, because sentence after sentence combine together to make our speech, and then we communicate with one another. So this is the general formula of making any sentence by using the different parts of speech. First is subject, and then we use helping a verb. What are the helping verb? Is, am, are, was, were, have, has, had, could, can, might. So this according to the tense we use, it can be different. Okay, sometimes there is no need to use helping verb. Then we use verb, different forms here we use according to the different tense. Then we use object, the things which is going to be affected by the subject. Subject is mostly noun, pronoun, and object can also be noun or pronoun. And in the middle, different forms of verb and helping verb we use sometimes. So let us discuss the indefinite tense one by one. I'll show you the copy. This work you don't need to copy. Okay, you just need to make the structure that I had given you earlier and title page. So let's start one by one the indefinite tense. Yes, class 7. This is our first tense, present indefinite. I'm showing you the copy also so that you can not only understand what I'm explaining but also can follow how to copy it in your copy. Present indefinite, this tense tells you about the habitual working, laws, or natural phenomena. Suppose I say earth revolves around the sun. Daily it happens. And if you say water boils at 100 Celsius, it's a law. So water always boils at 100 Celsius. And if you say I go to school at 7 o'clock, or my father goes to office at 8 o'clock, it's your habitual working. So present indefinite tells you about something which is happen regularly. So what's the structure or the formula? Subject, then in present indefinite we use first form of the verb, then we write the object. In present indefinite there is no helping verb. This is the important thing about present indefinite. Three things are there: subject, verb, first form, and object. One more thing is here, that we add s or es with the first form of verb if we have he, she, it, or any other singular noun as a subject. Let's see the example. You will have to write in the same way. All the headings must be given with black and rest of the written work will be in blue. Examples, so let us have the affirmative. As we have done types of sentences, statements, and I told you when we're that statements can be affirmative, can be negative. So here we will do affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences while we are discussing the tenses. Affirmative sentences, let's see. She throws a ball. She is third person singular. That's why we are adding s with the first form of verb. I water the plant. This is first person, so there is no need to add s or es. We play together. This is also first person plural, so there is no need to add s over here. Let's come to the another type, negative sentence. What to do to make the negative sentences in present indefinite? We make negative by using do not or does not. Let's see where we use do not or does not. With third person, as I told you that here he, she, it, with these third person singular or any other singular noun like mother, father, if single if you are taking, then we are adding s or es with the first form of verb. So with the third person we use does not. She does not, and then we will remove s from the first form of the verb. With I we do not add s or es with the verb, then that's why we use I do not water the plant. We do not play together. Let's come to the interrogative. How to make interrogative? The helping verb do and does will come at the beginning of the sentence, and at the last we have to give the question mark. Let's see. Does she throw a ball? Then question mark. Do I water the plant? Question mark. Do we play together? Question mark. This is all about the three forms of or three types of sentences: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. And this way you have to write it in your copy. Let's come to the another one, past indefinite. Again you will have to give the heading past indefinite. Past indefinite tells you about the action which just finished, which you have just completed, very near, but work is completed. Okay, so what's the formula here? Subject plus verb second form. In past indefinite we use second form of verb, while in present indefinite we use first form of verb. So this is the difference. For present indefinite, first form of verb; past indefinite, second form of verb, then object. There is no such thing of adding s or es. We are just going to add use second form of verb. Let's see the example. Again affirmative. Every time you have to use the same pattern. Okay, now I blew a whistle. This is the second form of blow. Father gifted me a watch. Now negative sentence, how to make negative? In present indefinite we use do not and does not, but here only did not is used, and first form or second form of the verb converted into first form. This did show you that this is past indefinite. I did not blow a whistle. Father did not gift me a watch. Let's come to the interrogative. Again, the helping verb did will come at the beginning, and at the last we'll have to add question marks. Did I blow a whistle? Question mark. Did father gift me a watch? And question mark. This is all about the past indefinite. Then come to the third one, future indefinite. Future indefinite tells you about the future action which you intend to do. What's the formula? In past indefinite and present indefinite we do not use any helping verb, but here in future indefinite we use helping verb. So the formula is subject plus helping verb plus first form of verb, then object. What are the helping verb in case of future indefinite? Shall and will. Where we use shall? With first person, plural and singular. I is singular first person, we is plural first person. So with I and we use shall, and with the rest of the subject, he, she, it, they, or mothers, teachers, whatsoever, if they are plural, then we will use will. Let us see the examples. Affirmative. I shall cast my vote. The dog will catch the cat. Negative sentence. How to make the negative? We just use not with the helping verb shall and will. I shall not cast my vote. The dog will not catch the cat. Now in case of interrogative, what to do? The helping verb again, will and shall come at the beginning, and at the last will insert the question mark. Shall I cast my vote? Question mark. Will the dog catch the cat? Question mark. This is all about the written work of your all the three indefinite tense. Then we'll do the translation, and inshallah we'll do the translation in next class. Just see how to do the work. Board work, already I told you how to start it. First you will have to make the title page, then you have to make the title page, then you have to make the structure which I had given to you, then you will start working. One more thing I had given you written on board, you will write that and then you will start these working in the same pattern as I am showing to you. Translation will start in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.